Now we'll evaluate solution.
Yes.
We'll ask the district magistrate
Yes.
to hold a meeting and submit a report
My lord.
whether you have a right or not. All right, sir. Now once again, district magistrate will hold a meeting and ask them to furnish any material. If it is not there, he will draw inference and submit a report. Thereafter, you take action.
My lord.
They will take action in accordance with law.
My lord, I am aggrieved by the impugned order, my lord. My lord, besides that, this is in violation of natural justice. We were party there. No notice was issued to us, my lord. 7 to 44 are, my lord, the private respondent were party there. My lord, what happened? That the respondent, a private respondent.
You are a respondent in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord. I am respondent.
Respondent number?
7 to 44.
Huh?
7 to 44. 37 private respondents were arrayed in the writ jurisdiction, my lord, and no notice was issued to them
No notice was issued by means whom?
by Honorable Single Judge, my lord.
What is the direction ultimately?
Direction is, my lord, that the private respondent has filed a writ petition seeking removal of an encroachment from a particular land, my lord. We are said to be the encroacher, my lord. The direction
People are said to be encroachers.
said to be encroacher.
Uh,
My lord, the direction was made and the circle officer was directed to draw a proceeding, and after hearing the parties, my lord, pass the necessary order, my lord. But my case is different, my lord. A parallel proceeding was going on much prior to this proceeding, my lord. These private respondent earlier, my lord.
the present LP is there any stay?
Yes, my lord.
Stay is there?
Yes. There is a stay, my lord. A stay granted in IA number 258.
Public interest litigation?
It's not public interest litigation, my lord.
Then what is the interest dispute between you and petitioner?
My lord, it is his writ petition.
Correct, sir. Have you not read the writ petition?
He being a mukhya, my lord. He being a mukhya of that.
Yeah.
Yes, mukhya of that Gram Panchayat, my lord.
So it is public interest litigation.
But that was not, my lord, termed as a PIL in the writ petition. It was heard by a single.
According to the Mukhya, you are encroacher.
Yes, my lord.
This is a matter relating to disputed
Facts.
disputed facts.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, on the basis of concerned authority, my lord, I am being Mukhya, I filed writ petition, my lord. And
No.
the reports of the concerned authority that they are encroachers of 51 decimals of land, my lord. Land has been donated by district board to upgrade the schools, my lord. And Honorable Reef Court had clearly observed that after giving the opportunity of hearing to all affected person in accordance with the provision of law. Nothing.
They have revenue records in their name?
No, my lord, they are encroacher. They have saying.
No, sir, they have revenue records in stand in their name.
No, my lord.
No.
My lord, he has filed a supplementary affidavit showing that land in question belong to another khata on 155.
And
Subject land is recorded as a, my lord, he is the owner.
what is the survey number, plot number, and
Yes, my lord.
land pertaining to plot number 215?
Yes, land is, my lord, pertaining to khata number 155. Plot number 202, 205, 2014, 15.
All right, which are the revenue records?
My lord, revenue records, I'm coming to that, my lord. Kindly, my
No,
lord.
show us the revenue records. If revenue records are there, stands in your name,
No.
then they are,
Not a stand in my name.
then they are entitled to take action.
That is, my lord, my grievance.
Ah.
I have approached the circle officer much prior to this writ petition, almost a decade ago.
All right.
For settlement of a land in our favor because we were residing there for last 50 years. Residential house
So
was,
you will get right.
no, not right, my lord. They have drawn a proceeding for settlement. They processed my application. They were going on, my lord. And because of this order, that proceeding was put on hold. And we were, my lord, now liable to be.
No, state has given, state has evolved a policy that you are a displaced person, you are entitled to a land.
That is to be considered in that settlement proceeding, my lord.
Huh.
That proceeding was also before.
That they will consider independently.
My lord, unless,
You give up this property.
my lord, they will give the plot in question, my lord. There is a contradictory statement. The state has not,
Show us revenue records, stand in your name.
not my name, my lord, but
What is your right?
my right is, my lord. I am pursuing my remedy, my lord. Long standing possession is there, my residential house is there. Under the scheme, I am pursuing before the circle officer that settle the land in my favor.
So are you blackmailing others?
No, not blackmailing, my
Then?
lord. Not at all.
Settle my this thing, then only I am going to leave?
No, that is not.
Huh.
They are, my lord, considering my,
All right, that is an independent issue, sir. They will consider, but
my lord,
you can't blackmail the state respondent stating that you consider controlling authority of.
the state is a mighty one. I cannot, my lord, blackmail them. But,
Politely, if a scheme is provided, you will get relief.
my lord, that is why,
Not against this subject land.
my lord, I cannot enforce, my lord. I cannot enforce. I politely made an application. That application has been registered as a case.
Now we'll evaluate solution. We'll ask the district magistrate to hold a meeting and submit a report,
My lord.
whether you have a right or not. Depending upon the outcome of the report, either it is in your favor or against you.
My lord.
You have to accept. Then you can approach the controlling authority.
My lord, fair enough, my lord. I am ready to. But why?
That's because you are not being heard by single judge. We are giving you this type of relief.
My lord, obliged, very much obliged.
That's all. Yes, take down.
Consider my case for settlement.
Huh?
My lord, a state file counter affidavit, and per 9 of counter affidavit, it has been specifically stated that there is no record.
All right, sir. Now, once again, district magistrate will hold a meeting and ask them to furnish any material. If it is not there, he will draw inference and submit a report. Thereafter, you take action.
My lord.
They will take action in accordance with law, with the state policy.
That should be, my lord.
Please take down.
Settlement case number is 2 of
We
2007.
are not concerned with.
But
There is-
the land in question belong to another khata, my lord.
We are not concerned with that. Respondent Muhammad Mohsin Alam, who is stated to be a Mukhya of village Malikapur, Malikpur, Balrampur, Patna, filed CWJC 12275 of 16. While impleading the appellants as a necessary and proper parties to stop. The learned single judge on 7/11/2017, while disposing the CWJC 12275 of 2016, proceeded to hold that nature of order of this court within inverted comma, the nature of order this court intends to pass, comma, does not require issuance of notice to private respondent number 7244, within bracket, who are appellants before this court, the present LPA.
My lords, all are not appellant before this honorable court, my lord. Only 17 are appellant before.
Within bracket 17 contesting respondents are appellants. You start. Next, prima facie Appellants were not heard in the matter. Therefore, in order to resolve the matter, district magistrate, which district?
Katiyar.
Katiyar, hereby requested to draw proceedings as to whether appellants are owners of the land bearing plot number.
I am not owner, my lord. Admittedly not owner.
Huh?
Admittedly, I am not owner, my lord.
Then why?
I have made an application for settlement in my favor.
All right,
Whether I am deserving settlement or not, that is to be decided.
hereby district magistrate Katiyar is hereby directed to examine whether appellants are entitled to alternative land in the light of state government scheme or not. It is learned that such a issue is pending consideration before the
Circle officer.
circular officer. Therefore, district collector is hereby directed to supervise the matter and direct the circle officer while giving time-bound direction insofar as consideration of appellant's case in the light of state government scheme as to whether they are entitled to alternative land or not. Such a decision shall be taken within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of this order. Accordingly, the present LPA stands disposed of.
Till then, my lord. Till then, they will not proceed in the
Huh?
Till then, my lord, they will not demolish.
No. You are no right. That is the reason you are blackmailing.
My lord, I am not blackmailing, my lord.
No.
Kindly mention my settlement case pending before the circle officer.
You have already stated, no? There is a district magistrate has been asked to supervise
Supervised, madam.
the circle officer with a time-bound direction, 6 months.
6 months. Obliged, madam.
If they are not entitled, then remove the encroachment.
You can go ahead in accordance with law.